Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon U. Let's see together in this video sentences with one pronoun in affirmative imperative mode. So we'll see together with the pronoun en in that situation. So let's see how it will go. Do some. Fais-en. Fais en faisant. Drink some. Bois-en. Bois en bois-en. Eat some. Mange-en. Mange en mange-en. Have some. Prends-en. Prends en prends-en. Choose some. Choisis-en. Choisis en choisis-en. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.